Real talk, do push-ups every day, and your body starts changing fast.
Knee push-ups build strength safely. Same muscles, less stress.
US doctors recommend push-ups because they train multiple muscles at the same time. No machines needed. Here's the thing. Your chest does most of the work. That's why push-ups build upper strength. Your arms and shoulders stay active through every rep. Pretty solid for daily strength.
Low-key bonus? Your core stays tight the whole time. That helps posture. Day 1, you'll feel tight and sore. Totally normal.
After about a week, doctors say control improves. Push-ups feel easier.
2 weeks in, strength starts showing up. Daily tasks feel lighter. By day 30, push-ups shape your upper body. Chest, arms, core, tonfals, all stronger. But real talk, most beginners struggle at first. That's okay. Here's the deal. US doctors say wall push-ups are a solid way to start.
Here's the deal. US doctors say wall push-ups are a smart place to start.
Knee push-ups build strength without stressing your joints. Low-key effective.
Here's where it gets interesting. Not all push-ups are the same.
Standard push-ups hit your chest, arms, and core. Doctors say this is the foundation. Real talk, your chest does most of the work here.
Your arms and shoulders stay under tension. No joke, that's how strength builds. The low-key bonus? Your core stays tight the whole time.
Low-key bonus? Your core stays tight the whole time.
Wide push-ups stretch the chest more. Feels harder, works deeper. By day 30, your chest, arms, and core look firmer. Doctors see this a lot. That's why US doctors recommend push-ups. Simple, effective, reliable.